Hey, Kit Kat. I see you. I don't know if the camera can see you. I got your food. I see you guys. I'm sorry, it's bright. It's bright light. I know. Forgot to feed you guys in an hour. I am so sorry, little loves. But you guys are coming back. Earthquake didn't scare you off too badly. Okay.